Hello friends, welcome to the Extra Tech Tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to formatting text in LibreOffice. In this video, we are going to learn how to change font color, font style, font size, change case, text highlighting. Here are some text and we are working on this text. I want to change font on this text. Select this text and click on this place. You see there are so many fonts here. You can always change the font whatever you want. Change the text color is very easy and simple. Select the text. Now click here. Here are so many color palette. Choose one of them and select the color you want. Text style is very useful for write paragraph or anything. There are many text style, heading 1, heading 2. Select any one of them. Suppose you write a paragraph, then you want to change the letter small to capital, capital to small, then you should use case. Select this text. Now go to format, then text, uppercase, lowercase, cycle case. And it is very useful sometime for us. When you want to highlight something, then you should use text highlight. Text formatting refers to the attribute of text other than actual text itself. I hope friends you understand my videos. If any doubt about this video, please tell me in the comment section below.